Hi, this is John Morton. I'm the creator of Bespoken, a plugin for Craft CMS that brings high-quality text-to-speech creation into the Craft control panel. Why would you want to add narration to your site? Adding audio increases accessibility, user engagement, and the amount of time users spend on a site. Bespoken uses the ElevenLabs API to create AI-powered narration of your content. You can use any voice in their library or create your own based on your own voice. The results are really impressive. In this video, I'll show you how Bespoken makes this an easy process for your content creators. Let's take a look at my demo site. We'll start in the control panel. Here, we're creating an article for a news site. Each news entry has a combination of plain text and CK editor fields for the title, the author credit, the lead, and the body of the article. When we preview this entry, we'll see it's a standard article you'd expect to find on a news website. If we scroll down a little further in the control panel, we'll see the Bespoken field in the entry. Here, we can select the voice we'd like to use for our narration, and then click the Generate Audio button. The audio file will soon be available in the Assets library. Behind the scenes, the Bespoken plugin collected the text content from multiple fields in the entry and created a script in a format suitable for narration. For example, if your site regularly uses difficult-to-pronounce words, your developer can configure Bespoken to replace these words with phonetical pronunciations in the script. The plugin sends the script to the ElevenLabs API and waits for the audio file. Depending on the length of your article, this process can take a few minutes. When the file is ready, it's saved to the Assets library, and the plugin displays the file name. What you do with the file depends on your site. For example, you can create a podcast feed for your site's articles, or you may just want to add narration to your article pages. That's what we'll do here. We'll add the audio file with this Assets field. I added the file and saved my entry. Now let's take another look at that article page. My template is configured to show an audio player whenever an audio file is added to this entry. Let's take a listen to the results.
Mysterious Blackout in Metropolis by Lois Lane, City Desk, The Daily Planet. Metropolis, the city that never...
That sounds great. I hope Bespoken is a valuable addition to your site. The plugin has extensive documentation for developers who want to explore more details. Also look for developer-focused videos on configuring voice options, defining pronunciation libraries, and more. Thanks for watching.